Yeah, that's me, Zulu. Looking like hot garbage because I've been up all night. Now that's Ronnie. I promised him yesterday I would hang out with him today. Only problem is this version of hanging out is putting up siding on the house. Now that's that bullshit. I mean, I have been up for 24 hours. Not that anybody cares, but I'm a radio DJ, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a musician / artiste. But nowhere did you hear me say I do manual labor. I mean, a brother is tired. This Negro tripping.
43 3/4.
Nigga, please. I'm tired. Oh, hell no. Bob Vila is really trying to put up this siding. Now he gonna make me go get a ladder. Got to be carrying some ladder. I've been up all damn night. All damn night, and you make me carry some. And another thing, what's up with this Bob the Builder hat? I mean, look at it. I'm kind of cute though.
That's how we work. Now I got it in. You see this? It's perfect now. Now, what we should do now is take it out.
Yeah, take it out.
You think we should take it out?
Nah, actually, I think you should take me home so I can go to sleep. Cut him out.
Yeah, you should.
Nah, I know he's not about to just take out the piece we took 30 minutes to put up and just throw it away. Nah, it's gonna be a long day. Hammer, hammer, I am hammer, hammer, I am hammer, hammer, I am hammer, hammer, I am. Can't touch this.
That white piece, okay, I usually don't let nobody do this but me. But if you grab hold of both of those wires, it'll be your last day today.
Tune in next time to hear another one of Ronnie's little-known fatality facts while helping him put siding on a house. Sponsored in part by Gas, Damn That's High, and this dog.
Like it used to be.
Okay, 3 hours has passed by, and now it's time for me to try my hand at a more academic approach to this job. Show my intellectual. I'm going to do some measuring.
24 and a half.
All right, here, 24 and a half. 24 and a half gallons equals 3 pints. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now for my next trick, I will appear and attempt to look busy. Keyword, attempt. I should probably go get a hammer, right? Ah, there's that hammer. Gotta love those can-shaped hammers, man. I'm about to get my hammer on. Help.